First start, guys. It's either gonna start or it's not. I'm doing this late at night. I don't even know what's gonna happen right now. I have the worst looking fuel line, super short, but hey, let's see what happens. Oh, missed the glow starter, of course. You can't start it if you're missing a glow starter. That was pretty dumb. Green LED should start now. I'm gonna slap myself later. Oh, well, it started. You know, it's a little bit late right now. I'm gonna call this a day, but this thing is a beast. Yeah, stay tuned for more.